Start. Okay, so welcome back, guys. After a long break, maybe maybe the last video I posted was around in 2021. So it's nearly 2 years I have been inactive. So I'm planning to post at least 5 videos a week. That is Monday to Friday. So stay tuned with the channel. So I'm gonna share the watch list for Monday. That is 7th of August. Okay, so first let's check out the market. So in the daily time frame, the market looks kind of weak, but if you go in the hourly time frame, it found support here. This green line is the 200-day EMA. It found support here, and it may bounce back. So still not extremely bearish about the market. The sectors I trade, which are mostly mid and small cap, it is still bullish. It is still bullish. It is about 10-day EMA. This blue line is 10-day EMA. So I'm not convinced that we are going into another correction. So let's see the watch list. So the first stock is Titagarh Railway System. Stock made a huge move. You can see around 232% in just 2-3 months, and it's forming a down flag, little flag, you can say, but still I'm gonna enter on the breakout of this channel type of thing. Okay, the next stock is Ace. It made 60% move in just couple of months, at least forming a tight channel. So let's wait for the breakout and enter. And the next one is Indo Borax. It is a recent IPO, IPO base, and it can have a good breakout up, like almost 50% if it breaks out. Next one is PPL Pharma, Piramal Pharma Limited. So it had good earnings. You can check the revenue on any website like Google Finance or MarketSmith or Money Consult. You can see good revenue, and it recently had a split. So it is driven by some news kind of thing. So it can have also a good breakout. So another one is Retail. So this one is an extremely good setup. Almost 2-year long IPO base. This one. If it breaks out, it can have a multi-month run. So keep this stock in your watch list. And if we want to focus on future segment, futures and options, so we will. I personally use 1 hour time frame to enter or exit on futures and options because they are not that volatile. You don't get like 30, 40, 50% move. So I personally use smaller time frame to enter or exit. So the first one is Asian Paint. Stock made a huge down move. Then it is forming some kind of channel thing, and it is getting tight. So I personally want this stock to break higher rather than lower. And if it breaks lower, so I may ignore this stock to trade. Okay. This stock ICICI GI. Stock made a huge move. Pull back to the rising 200 period EMA. It is forming a downtrend line. This can happen. But again, same thing. Stock made a huge move. Pyramid Enterprises pulled back to the rising 200 period EMA, and it is forming a tight range. So wait for the breakout and then enter. Same with banking sector also. Most of the banking sector looks like this only. RBL Bank, Canara Bank, and ICICI Bank. So if all the banking sector starts breaking out, you can also enter in Bank Nifty for a target if it breaks this region, 45,100 area, so it can have a decent move upward like 45,600, 45,800 in a couple of weeks, not in 1 or 2 days, just couple of weeks. So you should buy one lot of futures type of thing. Okay. So the current open positions are this one. India Bank stock was making a base top and handle pattern, and it made a tight range and a enter on this breakout. So this setup is called as pocket pivot. When you enter before the breakout of the base, this one, you enter before that. So it is called as cheat into your pocket pivot. You can say anything. The next one is VEML, same flag setup I taught you in the previous 3 videos. Maybe I'm gonna teach you once again, so don't worry. So this made a tight range again, and it broke out, and it is having, I don't know, 23% move in a week. This one was driven by news. Recently, some news broke out related to laptops and some IT components. So I bought here, and it is having a move, upward move. The next one is Jyoti Lab. Good earnings here, good earnings, sideways, and breakout. If it goes down, I'm gonna save it. But I am up like 3-4% on this position. So I'm planning to hold it. And the next one is IPO lighting. This setup is called as fishing hook setup. Like it is a cheat entry in IPO basis. I entered on the breakout of this swing high, and probably thinking to add more if it breaks here or here. Otherwise, I'm going to sell it. Book a little loss. Okay, so this was is my open position again. Stock was consolidating. It had a huge move prior to that, and I entered on the breakout of this range. So it's up like 20-25% in a month. Okay guys, that's all for today. There are a bunch of other setups too, but I will not tell you the setups or the process behind this setup currently. Maybe in future videos I'm gonna share the setup with you. Okay, thank you all.